Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to open two different websites side by side in a single tab in Edge web browser for computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Edge web browser on your Raspberry computer and just click on this three dot icons on the right top corner and just click on this help and feedback and just select this about Microsoft Edge and kindly check for if any newer updates is available for your Microsoft Edge web browser or not. So right now you can see the version here, so you need to have this version or above than this version. So after that, what you need to do is on this address bar just type h colon backslash and just type plex and hit enter. Now on this search box you need to search for one flex name as split screen. So you can see here Microsoft Edge split screen. So just click on this down arrow icon on the default and just click on this enable, and on the below you can see your restart, just click on it. Now you will see here one icon, that is the split screen icon. If you click on it, now it will split the screen into two different parts. Now on the different screen you can easily open any web browser. So let me just open it, say Google. So you can see here. So if you want to open a different website on the left side, just select this screen on the left side or click on the left screen. Once you see a blue marking indications, that means this left side screen is selected. Now you can open a similar website or you can open a different website. So it says, let me open a bing.com. So you can see here. So if you want to just disable it again, you can just click on this split screen again. Now it will open in separate tabs, and if you click on this split screen again, now you can open two different websites on a single tab. So by using this method you can open two different websites side by side in a single tab in Edge web browser for computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.